Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. Fine.
Good morning. I'm good, Manjo. Thank you so much for asking. So, yes, everyone, ready for the IELTS speaking session? Good morning, Ashita. Who all are ready to give answers? Manjot is ready. Great. Yes,
Ready,
Anand.
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, guys, आज के सेशन का गोल है that you will be able to speak confidently without any hesitation. Plus, we will be handling the question topics like food, daily routine, hobbies से related, interest से related questions को हम easily handle करेंगे with just 3 statement. Second goal is you will be able to improve your fluency plus a natural tone. कोई memorized answer नहीं, कोई robotic answer नहीं. So you need to stop thinking in Hindi. You have to start responding in English. That's the main goal of our session. टॉपिक्स को
Okay, ma'am.
स्टार्ट करने से पहले किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो, बिकॉज आई नो दैट बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन you will definitely see an improvement in your answers.
Yes, ma'am.
I want this 1 hour to be total interactive and participated. Nobody will be on the mute. कोई ऐसा एक भी स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर नहीं होना चाहिए जिसने आंसर ना दिया. You all have to try. It's day 3 of our speaking class. हम already 2 sessions कर चुके हैं speaking के with different topics. Now you all have an idea कि हमें आंसर देना कैसे है पार्ट 1 में. What we need to speak in part 1. डायरेक्टली आंसर करना है, एक्सप्लेन करना है, एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल देनी है, एग्जाम्पल करना है. अगर आपको ये चीज आ गई, डेफिनेटली यू विल सी अ बैंड स्कोर इम्प्रूवमेंट. आप आज टेस्ट करो और इस प्रैक्टिस के बाद आप उसे टेस्ट करो, यू विल सी एन इम्प्रूवमेंट की बैंड 5 से बैंड 6 डेफिनेटली इंप्रूव होगा इन स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. जब तक मैं पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 3 नहीं कराऊंगी, आई विल नेवर गिव यू द कॉन्फिडेंस कि वो इंक्रीज होगा. बट जब मैंने पार्ट 1 कराया है, आई कैन 100% श्योर, 200% श्योर कि अगर आप ऐसे आंसर देते हो, यू विल सी अ बैंड इम्प्रूवमेंट इन योर. ओके, सो किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है, प्लीज लेट मी नो, और एल्स वी विल स्टार्ट विद आवर प्रैक्टिस. किसी भी मॉड्यूल में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो, एप्लीकेशन से रिलेटेड, प्रैक्टिस कैसे कर रहे हो आजकल, ये बताओ. सलमान, न्यू क्लासेस ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं. यू आर लेट डियर. यस सलमान.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग ममता.
मैम
16 से क्लास स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. 16 17 2 क्लास हो चुकी है. रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस आपको एप्लीकेशन में ही मिलेगी. स्पीकिंग के सेशंस में जाओ, वहीं पे आपको क्लास मिलेगी. टुडे इज द 3rd क्लास. एक क्लास 16 को हुई थी, देन 17 को हुई. 18th and 19th was Saturday and Sunday. So you know that weekends में क्लास नहीं होती है. It's your practice days. मंडे आज 3rd क्लास है. तो अभी तक आपकी सिर्फ 2 क्लासेस मिस हुई हैं सलमान. बेटर टू वॉच दैट एंड आज आप अटेंड कर रहे हो. ओके, प्लीज डू नॉट मिस आउट एनी क्लास. अगर आपने कोई भी क्लास मिस करी, आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू आउट. आपको सिर्फ रिकॉर्डेड क्लास देखनी पड़ेगी. एंड रिकॉर्डेड क्लास में यू कैन नॉट पार्टिसिपेट, यू कैन नॉट इंटरैक्ट, यू कैन नॉट गिव आंसर्स. ठीक है. रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस इसलिए आपको दी जाती हैं कि जो सेशन आपने अटेंड करा है, यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ रिव्यू ऑफ इट. आप उसे दोबारा से देख पाओ, उसे रिवाइज कर पाओ. बट योर अटेंडेंस शुड बी हेयर 100%. गुड
मना
मॉर्निंग
सर्वे तो परम
गुरप्रीत.
नता.
ठीक है, तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू प्रेजेंट हेयर. आपका इवैल्यूएशन राइट अवे क्लासेस में होता है. जब आप आंसर देते हो, आपको राइट अवे फीडबैक मिलता है कि आपने आंसर कैसा दिया. राइट. यस विशाली.
हेलो मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
मैम, आई हैव अ डाउट ऑन राइटिंग टास्क वन। उसमें
हम्म
जैसे कभी क्या होता है कि बहुत ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाती है, तो हाउ वी कैन रेक्टिफाई दैट थिंग कि मुझको ये इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में लिखना है या नहीं लिखना है, या फिर ऑल सारी इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में
इट्स
लिखना
वेरी
कंपलसरी होता है?
इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट एज मच एज पॉसिबल, सारा लिखो। तभी तो वो क्वेश्चन क्या होता है, समराइज। समराइज मीन्स यू हैव टू शॉर्ट इट डाउन। समरी लिखना, समरी का मतलब क्या है, अगर पूरा पैसेज दिया है, उसे शॉर्ट डाउन करके हम फ्यू वर्ड्स
हम्म,
में लिखते हैं। सो दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू। अगर इंफॉर्मेशन ज्यादा दी है, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस क्रिएट करो, कंबाइन करो सेंटेंसेस को और उसे शॉर्ट करके लिखो।
ओके।
ओके,
काफी
बट
बार बहुत
लिखो
ज्यादा।
सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को, लीव मत करो कुछ भी टास्क वन में।
ओके,
ओके,
तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा हो जाता है वो।
इट्स ओके। देखो 20 मिनट्स का टाइम है आपके पास, 20 मिनट्स
ओके।
में अगर आप 180 वर्ड्स लिख रहे हो, लिखो, नो प्रॉब्लम।
ओके।
जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको 150 लिखने हैं। यू कैन राइट मोर देन 150, एटलीस्ट 150 लिखना है, बट टाइम ड्यूरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग। एंड ऑलवेज राइट द क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी
ओके।
पे नहीं जाना, क्वालिटी पे जाने कि जितना लिखा है वो करेक्ट होना चाहिए, ग्रामेटिकली भी। उसमें टास्क अचीवमेंट, दैट मीन्स आपने फुल्ली एड्रेस कराओ अपने टास्क को, राइट। जब हम
ओके।
फुल्ली एड्रेस नहीं करते, तभी सबसे पहले पैरामीटर में हमारे बैंक स्कोर्स डिक्रीज हो जाते हैं।
ओके।
नो वरी
एंड
सलमान, नेक्स्ट
वन
क्लासेस के
मोर
लिए
डाउट मैम।
प्रेजेंट हो। यस।
मैम, इन पेपर टास्क we need to use ball pens, or can we use a pencil also?
यू कैन यूज, जस्ट हैव बोथ।
Okay, so can I write answer on with the pencil, or I need to answer with the pen only? It's a compulsory.
नो
Like,
इट्स
what is
नॉट,
it?
बट ट्राई टू यूज इट पेन।
Okay.
ठीक है। मनजोत, आपको लिस्ट ऑफ हेडिंग्स में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, एग्जाम कब है? मनजोत, एग्जाम कब है? यस सलमान, यू कैन गो फॉर सीबीटी। अभी बहुत जल्दी सिर्फ सीबीटी ही होने वाला है, पेपर बेस नहीं होगा। गुरप्रीत, क्वेश्चन कोई भी आए आपको लिखना आना चाहिए। यू नीड टू नो हाउ टू राइट। आपके पास अगर दो आइडियाज भी हैं, आप उसे एक्सपैंड कर सकते हो। यू हैव सीन ऑल द वीडियोज ऑफ राइटिंग। ठीक है, आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए, द वे टू राइट इज सेम। मनजोत, आपने एग्जाम जुलाई में देना है, तो आपके पास बहुत टाइम है अभी। अभी तो मई जून, तब तक पूरा कोर्स हो जाएगा। रीडिंग कराएंगे तो रीडिंग में प्लीज प्रेजेंट रहना। गुरप्रीत, आइडिया जनरेशन के लिए यू नीड टू सम टाइम थिंक। मैंने वो भी कराया है राइटिंग सेक्शन में। डोंट वरी, जब हम राइटिंग सेक्शन करेंगे, स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल के बाद मैं सबसे पहले आपको राइटिंग मॉड्यूल ही कराऊंगी। सो यू हैव इनफ टाइम। जिनका एग्जाम्स जुलाई में है या जून में है, डोंट वरी, वी विल कवर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अगेन। ओके, I can see a new one. Varun. Varun Nishad. Good morning. Mazu. Mazu is new to the session. Salman, which practice you're talking about? Don't worry, Gurpreet. All your doubts will be clear. Ikra, good morning. Mazu, good morning. So this is your day one of class. I just want to tell you that we have started with a new course, जिसकी 2 classes हो चुकी है, and today is the 3rd class. प्लीज बी रेगुलर इन ऑल द क्लासेस। स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट हो चुकी है सलमान। राइटिंग की होगी जब हम राइटिंग का मॉड्यूल स्टार्ट करेंगे। दीज आर द लाइव प्रैक्टिस, ये लाइव प्रैक्टिस है आपके लिए। ठीक है, आई डोंट थिंक दैट एनी ऑफ यू कैन, एनीबडी कैन प्रोवाइड यू क्लासेस लाइक दिस, जिसमें आप लाइव बोल सकते हो ऑन अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स। एज पर माई नॉलेज, आई नो दैट स्पीकिंग के सिर्फ आपको टॉपिक्स कुछ दे दिए जाते हैं एंड यू नीड टू डू अ सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस, बट यहाँ आपको राइट अवे फीडबैक मिलता है। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अ प्रैक्टिस। ओके, एक क्विक रिकैप करते हैं। I'm gonna ask a question and you all have to give me answers. A very basic one. देखते हैं how many of you remember and how many of you can answer this question. Do you work or study? Do
I am
you work?
currently
Yes, Kushal.
I am currently working as an associate analyst role in Global Logic Private Limited.
Mhm. Yes, that's it.
No, ma'am. In Hyderabad company, I started my journey in this company from last 6 months ago. It offers me to work-life balance and flexible schedule.
Yes, very good. Yes, next, Vishali.
Same, same question, ma'am.
Yes, same question. Just a recap we are doing.
Okay, so I am currently working. I am currently working. I am a professionally a architect, which based in Sagar, Madhya Pradesh.
Pause हो गया. I am working, I am currently working, I am working as a professional, this and this. इतने pauses क्यों? है ना? Pause ही तो हमें नहीं लेना. That pause will actually create a hesitation. I'm currently working as a professional, this and this.
Hmm.
Eason. Yes, Eason, please speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Uh, I'm a student. Currently, I'm pursuing a bachelor in geography and environment at National University.
Great. Mamta.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Speak.
I'm working as a teacher because I like to educate and learn students, and at this time I am teaching in Firozpur.
Mhm. I am educating and learn to students.
हाँ जी.
Grammatically, incorrect है.
Okay,
Yes, Mohammed,
okay.
good morning. Where were you? You were not present in last classes. Friday's class.
Ma'am, Friday is my birthday, so I couldn't
Oh,
join
belated
that.
happy birthday. So you should join na. Everybody will be wishing you.
Ma'am, basically, at night we enjoyed and suddenly not woke up.
Wow, that's great. Okay, belated happy birthday to you. Yes, Ikra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ikra, please try the same question.
I am a student. Recently, I have done my graduation from GC University, Faisalabad.
Hmm. Great. Try to expand more. And you should be speaking in a very calm manner, not rush. Like we have learned the answer and then we are speaking. Now let's come to our topic. As I told you, आज हम कुछ topics करने वाले हैं. The first topic is food. Yes, Hardeep, question for you is, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is barbecue chicken. In my leisure time, I make a barbecue chicken, and when my friend heading up to my house on weekends, on that time I make a barbecue.
Tone should not be flat. आपका speech intonation जो जा रहा है that is flat. You are just giving the answer in a tone. देखो जब भी हमारी pitch हम बोलते हैं, sometime it's high, sometime it's low. Can I speak like this? What is your favorite food? Food. Can I speak like this? No. That's not the correct pronunciation and fluency and coherence दोनों यहाँ पे आपका हैम्पर होता है, खराब होता है, जिससे आपका बैंड स्कोर डिक्रीज होता है. तो we will not speak like this. Yes, next one. Saad. Saad, same question for
I,
you. What is your favorite food?
I would like to biryani because since childhood I have been eating biryani and I am also living in Lucknow, so their biryani is very famous.
I am eating, I have been eating. Self correction हो गया दोनों sentences में, right? Self correct नहीं होना चाहिए. You should speak at once. So what is your yes, Mauricio, please try.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I definitely like the famous Japanese dish named sushi.
Little loud. Your voice is very low.
Excuse me.
Hmm.
I definitely like the famous Japanese dish named sushi. It is it is very delicious and healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Furthermore, I like to drink a beer
Mm-hmm.
to eat with sushi.
Moisha, there are pauses. There are long pauses when you speak. You need not to take that long pauses. Okay, so my favorite food is dash and dash. It is very tasty and flavorful. For example, I enjoy eating on weekends with my family, with my friends. Next one. Next, I would like to ask from Eason.
Yes, ma'am. This one, or maybe you
No,
want to
no,
ask.
another one. Do you like cooking?
Well, currently I can't able to cook, but whenever it comes to any event, at that period I enjoy to cook with my family as well as my friends.
Great. Yes, Amandeep, same question for you. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking whenever I was free and I have a craving about something. I mostly cook delicious things.
But why you're sounding so low? You need to be energetic, more confident when you speak. Just always speak like you're giving an answer in the exam. You cannot sound low. Yes, I enjoy cooking as it helps me relax. I try simple recipes at home during the weekends.
Okay.
Okay, next one, Manjot. Manjot, how often do you cook? Manjot, why are you taking so much time to speak? Harpreet. Harpreet. You're not audible, Manjot. Harpreet, Gurminder. Jasib. Kinjal. Usman. Sana. Yes, Harpreet. Harpreet,
Yes, I do.
how often do
Yes,
you cook?
yes, I do. Whenever I get some free time at home, I often try to cook because I have keen interest in cooking, and I always like to produce various recipes at my own. And during my free leisure time, I do practical experiment with the various ingredients.
Good. So, देखो, first question, the direct answer will be, how often do you cook? So, I cook occasionally, I cook mostly on weekends, or I cook every day. First answer should be this. Second, you can expand. जैसे भी आपको extra detail देना है, explain करना है, you can give. Okay? Okay, next one. Yes, Usman, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you prefer home cooked food or fast food?
Yeah, ma'am. I mostly like uh, cooking food because I work in Abu Dhabi and making always every day make food and eat with my friend.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So your first answer should be you should differentiate and choose your preference. Either you like the home cooked food or the outside food. Then you have to explain the reason why do you like it, and then you have to explain with an example. That means giving an extra detail to it. Yes, Anam.
Ma'am,
Okay,
am
ma'am.
I audible now?
Sorry.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Manjot, first question for you is, what food is popular in your country?
In my country, Chinese cuisine is very popular. Uh, Indians love trying Chinese dishes and Chinese food like noodles, momos, and every evening, even I go out with my friends to eat Chinese food.
In my
Now
country,
you
traditional
mentioned
food.
Chinese food and Chinese dishes like. So what Chinese food or Chinese dishes is the same word,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So make corrections. Yes, Anam. Anam, do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I eat healthy food because it's make me fit and strong, and healthy foods are also good for our health. So mostly try good food like such as mangoes. I mostly prefer to the fruit also there.
For instance, I include fruits and vegetables in my diet.
Which
Monica,
provides vitamins and minerals also.
Monica,
Yes, ma'am.
do you like eating out?
Yes, sometime I went with my family and eating outside
Mhm.
in a restaurant.
Mhm.
So that was the lovely moments I created with my family.
As it's enjoyable also. Yes,
Yes.
Sana. Sana,
Yes, ma'am. Same question.
no, different one. Has your eating habit changed?
Yes, I have eating. Mm, ma'am,
देखो,
I'm confused.
has your eating habits changed? Yes, my eating habits have changed. First answer should be yes or no. कि क्या आपकी eating habits change हुई है? अगर हुई है
Okay.
तो you will be telling. नहीं हुई तो आप
Yes.
बोलोगे no. Yes.
Yes, I have changed my eating habit. As um, before, I prefer the junk foods, but after some time, I prefer to eat healthy foods, which is very essential for our health. Uh,
So Sana, you can use a
which is
vocab here. I am more health conscious now. I
okay.
avoid junk food. I add fruits and vegetables to my diet now. I'm health conscious now. Earlier, I was not. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Salman,
Yes, ma'am.
do you prefer spicy food?
No, ma'am, I don't like spicy food because I want I eat every time healthy food because healthy food is essential for our bodies.
So I don't prefer spicy food. I find it too strong for my taste. I usually prefer mild or lightly flavor food as it's
Okay.
more comfortable for me to eat and enjoy.
Okay, ma'am.
Navjot. Navjot, ready?
Just giving answer lastly.
Yes, Navjot. You are on.
question.
Navjot.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
change
how
another
do
person
you
name,
prefer
ma'am.
spicy food wala?
Navjot, question for you is what is your daily routine?
Well, my daily routine is that I wake up early in the morning as I'm an earlier bird. After that, I do my household chore and get ready to visit my school. After then come back home to daily routine.
थोड़ा सा आपकी स्पीच फास्ट जा रही है ठीक है इतना फास्ट नहीं होना चाहिए व्हेन यू स्पीक तो इट साउंड्स लाइक यू आर रनिंग I'm an early bird, so I usually start my day quite early. I wake up around 5 or 6 and like to begin my day with some fresh air or light exercise. फिर extra detail add करो. After that, I have my breakfast and continue with my work and studies, which help me stay productive throughout the day. You should plan your answer. देखो what is your daily routine? अब यहाँ पे पूरा daily routine पूछ रहे ऐसा तो नहीं आप सुबह 5 बजे से लेके रात के 10 बजे तक 1 hour का डिटेल दोगे नो as she mentioned कि I am an early bird ठीक है आपने मेंशन करा I am an early bird so I usually start my day quite early आपने एक सेंटेंस डायरेक्ट आंसर कर दिया खत्म अब आप उसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे कैसे that I wake up around 6 a.m. 5 a.m. and I start my day, I begin my day with some fresh air, exercise. That's it. Extra detail डाल दो एग्जाम्पल ऐड करना है, एग्जाम्पल ऐड करो, नहीं तो टॉक अबाउट समथिंग मोर. यस कुशल.
Ma'am, can I speak, ma'am?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yes. My everyday routine is I wake up early in the morning at 4 o'clock and I go to the run. When I complete my run, then I start prepare for my job routine. When I finish my work, I usually spend my quality time with my family members and I watch some short films. Also, I specially spend my 1 hour or 2 hours to for my career growth.
So I usually start my day by going for a run or for going for a walk. It helps me feel fresh and energetic. And it also sets a positive tone for the rest of my life. After my run, I have a breakfast with my friends, my family, which keeps me active and productive for the entire day. Always plan your answer. Be calm when you speak. You need not to run. अब किसी का रूटीन अगर बिल्कुल सिंपल है, सो दे कैन से क्वेश्चन है अगर व्हाट इज योर डेली रूटीन, आई फॉलो अ सिंपल रूटीन एज इट कीप्स मी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई स्टडी, आई वर्क ड्यूरिंग द डे एंड रिलैक्स इन द इवनिंग. 3 सेंटेंसेस आपको बोलने हैं सिर्फ. फर्स्ट शुड बी द डायरेक्ट आंसर कि आपका डेली रूटीन कैसा है. सेकंड शुड बी आप उसे एक्सप्लेन करो. थर्ड शुड बी आप उसमें एक एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल डालो, या फिर अगर आपको लगता है यू डू नॉट हैव एनी एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल, जस्ट गिव एन एग्जांपल कि आप करते क्या हो. ओके, सुखदीप,
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन फॉर यू इज, डू यू वेक अप अर्ली?
Yes, I wake up early in the morning, like on 5 a.m. And then I am going to gym, and then I used to go for my work.
Now suppose if I want you to speak that you do not wake up early, how will you speak?
No, मैम मेरी ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣੋ, ਮਤਲਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਹਨਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਉੱਠਦੇ ਵੇਕ ਅਪ ਅਰਲੀ, ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਠਦਾਗਾ, ਮੈਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦਾ ਹਨਾ ਕਿ ਮਤਲਬ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਫਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਿਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨ ਵੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ
No,
ਉੱਠਦਾ.
देखो why I am asking you, because you should know the other side of the answer also. Sometimes आपके पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है कि आपको no बोलना होता है. You believe that you do not wake up early, you do not do that thing. Anyone who can speak about it? No wala answer.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Who is this?
Can I dream?
Ma'am,
Manjot. Okay, try.
to be very honest, I'm a night owl, so I don't usually wake up early in the morning unless I have to attend my school or I have to go to any important occasion.
Yes, Mohammed. Where is Mohammed? Speak.
Can I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay. I'm a night person. I spend a lot of time on Instagram like that other website, so I couldn't wake up early in the morning. So basically, it's a not good routine for everyone to sleep at late, but it have in my life.
So no, I'm more of a night owl. I usually stay up late at night, so I find it difficult to wake up early in the morning. I couldn't wake up ki jagah you can say I find it difficult to wake up early in the morning. I feel more productive and focused at night, so I prefer doing my work during at night or during that time. Okay? Seerath, is clicking on unmute button takes a lot of time for you guys? Safia,
Yes, ma'am.
question for you. What do you do in the morning?
What do you do in the morning?
What you do in the morning?
I wake up early in the morning and I offer my prayer and then go for morning walk and then I eat my breakfast.
Okay. But why
Ma'am,
sound?
can I speak?
Let me give chance to other as well. Meenakshi, can you speak?
Yes.
Yes, speak the same question. What you do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock, and after that I do some exercise. After that, I do some household chores and continue, and I read book early in the morning.
So I start my day with the basic activities, जो आपका regular task है. I usually start my day with my prayer, then go for a walk. It helped me feel fresh, calm, and mentally prepare for the day. After that, I have breakfast. आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. Yeah, I have my walk. After that, I have my breakfast. After that, I have this. You have to explain. If you're
Okay.
going for a walk, it keeps you calm. It keeps you fresh. You have to explain that point. Okay?
Okay.
Next, I want to ask. Yes, Infinix Smart 6, it's very good if you're using the phrases night owl, early bird, bookworm. You can use these phrases. Now, Jasib, Sirat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sirat is back. Sirat, question for you. Is your routine the same every day?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, the same routine. My routine is same in the day, in every day.
Take a breathe and just plan your answer again. Because initial में बहुत सारे pauses हो गए हैं. Just listen to my question again. Is your routine the same every day? Calmly give your answer.
Yes, my routine same in every day.
Explain.
I wake up early in the morning, and I start my day with prayer and take fresh air. And after that, I go to go outside and running for few minutes, and come back at home, and after take I drink water. I take water.
बहुत सारे grammatical errors आ रहे हैं, pauses भी है, सीरत, and you're hesitating also. ठीक है, तो ये चीजों को remove करना है.
Yes,
ये question is your
Yes,
routine the same every day? पहला question क्या है? एग्जामिनर ने क्या पूछा है कि क्या आपका रूटीन सेम है रोज? तो अगर आपका रूटीन सेम है, yes, my routine is mostly the same every day. आपने फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स करे हैं. सेम इन एवरी डे कुछ ऐसा आपने बोला, ऐसे नहीं बोलना, वो रॉन्ग होता है. यस, माय रूटीन इज
Okay, ma'am.
मोस्टली द सेम एवरी डे. अब अगर आपने ये बोला कि मेरा रूटीन सेम है एवरी डे, यू शुड एक्सप्लेन इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस व्हाई. क्यों सेम है? बिकॉज यू लाइक हैविंग अ फिक्स शेड्यूल. और आपने क्या करा? आपने अपना पूरा रूटीन बता दिया. को एग्जामिनर ने आपसे ये नहीं पूछा व्हाट इज योर डेली रूटीन. अगर वो आपसे ये पूछे व्हाट इज योर डेली रूटीन, तब आपको बताना है कि आप करते क्या हो. क्वेश्चन
Okay,
इज,
ma'am.
इज योर रूटीन द सेम एवरी डे? क्या आपका रूटीन सेम है हर दिन? अगर वो सेम है तो वो क्यों सेम है? अगर वो सेम नहीं है तो वो क्यों सेम नहीं है? आपको उस क्यों का आंसर एक्सप्लेन करना है. ओके? एनीवन
Okay, ma'am.
कैन स्पीक
Yes,
अबाउट
ma'am.
द सेम क्वेश्चन?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Kushal, please go ahead.
As my daily routine is often similar, as it's offer me to follow the well-organized schedule for my work, and also I always spend my spare time for essential routines.
Yes. And now
Can I try,
sounding,
ma'am?
Yes, just wait. Sometimes you can talk about like we have a same routine every day during the weekdays, but when it comes to weekend, we have a different routine. So you can also talk about it. However, I sometimes make small changes on the weekends because we have a special plans on weekends, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Monday
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Friday, we have a same routine. Like if I talk about myself, Monday to Friday, I'm busy with my work, with all of the classes. So I have a same routine. But when it comes to Saturday and Sunday, it's up to me how I can alter my plans. Sukhdeep,
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak?
question for you is, do you prefer a busy routine?
Yes, I like prefer to a busy routine. Actually,
I
I
like
living.
prefer to नहीं होता, I like और I prefer to होता है. आपने like भी बोल दिया और prefer भी बोल दिया. You cannot use the
Okay,
two words together. Like का मतलब ही आप preference बता रहे हो.
okay. I prefer to choose a busy routine as in my life. As I living in Canada for last 2 years, and I have to do a lot of activities in my daily life. Like on early morning, I have to go on work. Then I have to done my studies.
तो इतना जल्दी जल्दी क्यों बोलना? You need to be keep calm. Your speech should be understandable. अगर आप इतनी जल्दी करके बोलोगे, your speech will not be understandable. ठीक है?
Okay,
तो yes, I
okay.
prefer having a busy routine. It helped me stay focused throughout the day. Okay, next one. Izin,
Yes, ma'am.
question for you is, what do you do in free time?
Well, in my free time, I spend most of the time for playing football in outside, as well as when I get more free time, I go for explore in a new places, which is located surrounded by my hometown.
Great. So you need to always plan your answer that what do you do in free time? In my free time, I usually play football and explore new places. Playing with
Yes.
football helped me stay active and enjoy time with others. I really enjoy visiting different areas. It allowed me to experience new environments and even take a break from my daily routine.
Yeah.
Next, I want to ask from Mazu, Ujail Alam, any one of you who can speak first?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mazu. Question for you is, do you take breaks?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
yes, I like
Mm-hmm.
sometime break.
Mm-hmm. Yes, please.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, I sometime taking breaks because they help me relax and refuse my mind.
Mm-hmm. So yes, I do take breaks because I think breaks are important as they help me relax and stay focused. हम लोग breaks क्यों लेते हैं? और I do take short breaks. Right? जब भी हम काम कर रहे होते हैं, whenever we are working, we usually take short breaks between our tasks. Like we are going for a walk, having something, just resting for a few minutes. It actually helps us to feel refreshed. Right? So the same thing you have to explain. Shah. Shah,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
question for you. Do you like your routine?
Yeah,
क्या
I love my
आपको
routine.
अपना routine पसंद है?
Yes, I love my routine as I find my routine perfect as I've settled in it after a very long time as I'm doing exercise in the early morning. Then I went for the class, and in the evening, I watch movies for relaxing and meditating.
Yes. It keeps my day balanced and productive. It helps me to stay organized and manage my time effectively. आपको अपना routine क्यों पसंद है? Do you like your routine? क्या आपको अपना routine पसंद है? Yes, पसंद है. क्यों पसंद है? ये आपको explain करना है with 2 statements. Next
Ma'am,
one. Yes.
मैम इस आंसर को और कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो?
देखो, नाउ
जैसे
फर्स्ट
मैंने
क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट डायरेक्ट आंसर, पहली स्टेटमेंट में तो हमें हमेशा आंसर देना है यस और नो का, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन ही यही है कि डू यू लाइक योर रूटीन? यस, आई डू. It gives structure to my day. It helps me stay disciplined. I feel more relaxed when I know what I need to do. और फिर आपको अगर एक्टिविटीज बतानी है, it includes activities like prayer, walk, or some free time. These things, they keep me calm and balanced throughout my day. अब आप फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को और कैसे चेंज कर सकते हो? ये बोलने की बजाय कि yes I do like my routine, you can say yes I'm quite satisfied with my regular routine, right? I get enough time to relax. I can also manage my time efficiently. Clear? और अगर किसी को बोलना है no, then how can you speak? Not really. My routine can be quite repetitive, sometimes boring. I would prefer a more flexible schedule with some variety. जिसको अपना routine नहीं पसंद, then he will talk about no situation. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, I want to Manpreet. Manpreet.
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you. What would you like to change in your routine?
Actually, if I want to change something in my routine, as mostly I am busy during the whole day, so I would like to change because I'm trying to spend some time with my family, with my near and dear ones, as it is very important in this modern era to make the strong bonding with our loved ones. So I am trying to fix my schedule in order to make in order to spend some leisure time with
That's a
my
repetition. You already spoke about spending time. तो अगर आप in order to के बाद दोबारा से यही बोलोगे, it will be a repetition. आपने already बता दिया कि आपको अपना routine क्यों change करना है, because you want to spend time with your family, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what would you
हाँ
like to change? देखो question क्या है कि आपको क्या change करना है. First statement would be, I would like to spend more time with my family. Due to my busy routine, I don't always get enough time to be with them. I think spending more time together would make me feel more happier, more relaxed.
Yes, ma'am.
Navjot,
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, Navjot has already given answer. Motorola and Moto. Yes. Any one of you who can unmute and speak?
Yes, ma'am.
So question for you, what are your hobbies? And one thing, it's not that I am gonna ask you the question. You have to unmute and raise your hand when you want to speak. I can see only repetitive names who are just unmuting and they want to speak the answer. I want to give chance to each one of you. So please, you have to unmute and speak here. It will remove your hesitation part. Yes, speak. What are your hobbies?
My favorite hobby is to listen music and sing a song. And I usually do this activity in my free times because it helps me to relax and refresh my mind.
Great. So my hobbies are listening to music and singing. I enjoy music as it helps me relax and improve my mood. I often listen to my favorite songs in my free time and sometimes sing alone, which I find really enjoyable. Robinson, can you unmute? Salman Khan,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have any hobbies?
Yes. I love reading because reading is my passion. I always prefer reading because reading I am preparing for civil services like UPSC, BPSC. That's all.
Okay, great. You need to be calm when you speak. Okay.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
And your tone should be little loud when you speak. Itna low sound nahi karna. So yes, I enjoy reading,
Ma'am,
especially for my UPSC preparation. It helped me gain knowledge for about different subjects like history, politics, current affairs, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is next? Who has?
I'm in libraries, that's why I'm speaking like this.
No problem.
Yeah.
Kinjal Vasoya.
Yes, ma'am.
Kinjal, you got a chance to speak?
Yes, definitely.
Saad,
Which question? Do you have any hobbies?
no, just wait.
Yes,
Saad,
ma'am.
I want you to speak. Question for you is, how often do you spend time on your hobbies?
If I talk about my how often I
How often do you
my
spend the time on
hobbies, so I always go for a cricket in morning and with my friends, and I am enjoy it because it is a very essential for our body, and it's feel very uh, it's refresh to me.
Can
Now,
I
then a
start,
question.
ma'am?
No, wait. Kinjal, wait. Sameer, Gurleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sameer, how
Yes,
often
ma'am.
do you spend time on hobbies?
I often spend our time in cricket because I like cricket and relax me and refresh our mind.
अब often पूछा है आपसे, how often do you spend time on your hobbies? आपको टाइम ड्यूरेशन बताना है. आप वीकली खेलते हो, रोज खेलते हो, जो भी आपकी एक्टिविटीज हैं, जो भी आपकी हॉबीज हैं, उन पे आप कितना स्पेंड करते हो टाइम. आई यूजली प्ले क्रिकेट फ्यू टाइम्स अ वीक. It's one of my favorite hobbies and it helped me stay active and relax. I mostly play with my friends in free time, especially in the weekends or in the evening. Gurleen,
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Gurleen Kaur, Safia,
Ma'am.
Safia, question for you. Did you have hobbies as a child?
Yes, I have hobbies as a child, as playing football,
Yes, explain.
which
Football की
is
अगर आप
enjoyable for me.
Mhm.
Which is enjoyable for me. That's why I play with my friends.
Yes, I used to play football a lot as a child. It was my favorite activity. I often play after school or on weekends, and it was one of the best part of my childhood. क्योंकि आपकी as a child hobby पूछिए तो you should talk about your childhood. Noor,
Yes, ma'am.
Noor, I want you to speak. Where are you? Vatsal. Okay, Noor, no problem. Vatsal. Zakia. Sakshi. ये जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स दे आर नॉट स्पीकिंग, उनका बान स्कोर बिल्कुल फ्रीज होने वाला है. निधि,
Yes, ma'am.
do you prefer indoor or outdoor hobbies? You can't take time to speak. You have to give an instant answer.
Can I try, ma'am?
Who said, can I try?
It's Kinjal.
Yes, please.
Do you prefer indoor and outdoor hobbies?
Yes.
Well, it depends on a condition. During a rainy season, I would like to play some indoor activities such as the Ludo and chess. Apart from that, in winter and summer season, I would like to enjoy some sport activities such as basketball and cricket and volleyball.
Yes. Gurpreet, indoor and outdoor hobbies. Indoor hobbies are like reading, listening to music, watching movies, cooking, painting, drawing. These are indoors. What you do inside your home. Outdoor could be that you can talk about football, cricket, running, cycling, exploring new places, gardening. These are all outside. Indoor hobbies, that activities that are done inside. Outdoor hobbies that are done outside in the open spaces. Okay. Next question for Galaxy A30. What's your name? Sakshi. Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Are
ma'am.
hobbies important?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak.
I like to, my hobby is playing badminton, reading books because it helps me improve my personality.
No, that is not the required answer. क्या hobbies important है? Yes, अगर important है तो क्यों important है? You have to explain that reason. आपको अपनी hobby नहीं बतानी कि आप क्या क्या करते हो.
Can I try, ma'am?
No, Anam, let's wait for others also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Saad, can you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Are hobbies important?
Yeah, absolutely. If I talk about our hobbies, so hobbies always important in our life because hobbies always provide we hobbies always motivate us and relax our mind.
Yes. So hobbies, they improve the skills and they keep us mentally and physically active, which is beneficial in the long run. They actually help you to relax and take a break from your daily routine. क्यों important होती है hobbies? इसीलिए important होती है ना? Anyone who is left who did not got a chance to speak, please let me know. Some people are on mute. I cannot help them out. Apart from this, anyone who did not got a chance. Okay. So guys, ये same structure आपके सारे topics पे help करता है. What do you want to convey, Harpreet? So listen. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है जिसमें आपको आंसर करना है डायरेक्टली, एक्सप्लेन करना है, एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल डालना है या एग्जाम्पल डालना है, अगर आप इस स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करते हो फॉर ऑल योर टॉपिक्स, इफ यू आर फ्लुएंट, सिर्फ आंसर आना इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, आप उसे डिलीवर कैसे कर रहे हो, हाउ योर ग्रामर इज, हाउ योर फ्लुएंसी इज, हाउ योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज. I can bet you 100%, 200% sure that band 7 plus is guaranteed for you. Nobody can stop you from scoring this band. But जो आप आंसर डिलीवर कर रहे हो, it should be without any hesitation. फ्लुएंसी ऑन टॉप होनी चाहिए, प्रोनाउंसिएशन करेक्ट होनी चाहिए, अंडरस्टैंडेबल स्पीच. ये ऐसे जो मुंह के अंदर बात करते हैं ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. इट शुड बी अंडरस्टैंडेबल व्हेन यू स्पीक, राइट? क्लियर? तो फास्ट आंसर नहीं देना, ओवर थिंकिंग नहीं करनी है. यू हैव टू बैलेंस. नेचुरली आपको बोलना है, कोई वन लाइन आंसर नहीं, कोई रिपीट नहीं करना. आप लोग बोलते हो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस जो बोला है, थर्ड सेंटेंस में भी वही सेम वर्ड्स को रिपीट कर देते हो, विच इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. Speak simple, add small details, don't stop while giving the answer. Natural pause is required, वो तो हम सब लोग natural pauses लेते हैं बोलते हुए, but long pause नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay? Yes, please. Now I want an honest feedback from you all. Did you speak today? Did
Yes,
you
ma'am.
all speak today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This structure is helping you out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. A lot.
Definitely, yes.
Confidence level increase हो रहा है from day 1 to day 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I
Yes,
want you to
ma'am.
rate this session 1 out of 10, how many you will give?
At least 8.
Yes?
Ma'am, at least 8. 8 and above.
Great. Manjot 10 on 10. Infinix 10. Harpreet 10. Thank you so much. Saat 10. Vatsal 10. Vatsal, where were you when it comes to speak? I want you to speak in the next session, please. ठीक है? When you speak, Hardeep said 11. Thank you so much. Vatsal, when you speak, आपका hesitation level बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएगा. I want each one of you to speak here so that you can have the feedbacks, and feedbacks help you to improve. Why every time, every session, why I want feedbacks from you? So that we can also improve. We can also enhance our sessions according to your needs. Our task is not just to complete the course, but to make you score higher. Not 6, not 6.5. Each one of you should target 7 and above. तो जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना प्रोग्रेस होगा. इफ यू स्पीक डेली, बैंड 7+ इज गारंटेड फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट सेशन में और भी पावरफुल प्रैक्टिस होने वाली है. सो प्लीज डू नॉट मिस आउट. कोई भी सेशन को मिस नहीं करना. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रैक्टिस यूजिंग द एप्लीकेशन. एप्लीकेशन में आपको जो भी टास्क दिए हैं पार्ट 1 के, द डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, प्लीज उन्हें प्रैक्टिस करो एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू. राइट? किसी का भी एग्जाम अगर नियर बाय है, दे कैन प्लीज ट्राई द वीजा सर्विसेज. यू विल हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. आपको कहाँ जाना है, कैसी सर्विसेज चाहिए, एग्जाम कब बुक करना है. You will have all the queries solved under that section. Application में already given है visa services का option, तो आप उसे एक बार explore कर सकते हो. And new students, especially Salman, I am talking about you. Please click on the remind me button for all the next classes. You will get notified जब भी class start होगी. आपकी कोई भी class उससे miss नहीं होगी. ठीक है? So do not forget to join any class. You can even share the application with your friends. जिनको भी IELTS करना है, the classes are free. You just need to have a subscription. That's it. Okay, recorded classes are also available. Shah, you need at least 7.5 overall. So you're planning to take test by the end of June. Definitely, please be regular in the classes. You will have 7.5 and above, I'm saying. Not 7.5, more than 7.5. But you need to do practice. जितना practice करोगे, progress उतना होगा. Interact here, participate here in the class, give answers, have your feedback, improve with the feedback. Okay? सुखदीप, आपका 26 मई को है. डेफिनेटली इट विल हेल्प यू आउट. अगर कोई मॉड्यूल रह जाए तो प्लीज ऑन अ साइड वॉच द रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस. ओके? When will you teach about cue cards? Very soon, I guess after 2 days I'll start with the speaking part 2. जैसे मैंने initial beginning में बताया था कि part 1 will be for 5 days at least. मैं different topics रोज आपको कराऊंगी so that you know how to frame your answer. उसके बाद आपका क्यू कार्ड होगा again for 4 to 5 days. So the classes will go like this. Yes, Manjot, there are improvement, but there are still some weaker section जिसे आपको improve करना है. Yes, Salman, it's a very good time. अगर आप जुलाई के लिए बुक कर रहे हो तब तक कोर्स कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, the entire course. जो 2 क्लासेस मिस हुई है प्लीज उन्हें रीवॉच करो and be regular in the classes. क्लासेस एक भी मिस नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर एक भी क्लास मिस हुई and then the another day you come back to me and ask, मैम ये नहीं हो पा रहा, then it's very difficult for me to have a session again, है ना? I cannot deliver the same topic again. Then unfortunately you have to only watch the recorded classes. But I want all my regular students to be present here in the class. Okay? आपको पता है जब आप आंसर देते हो and when somebody else is giving the answer, जब आपकी टर्न नहीं आई, आप कोई और आंसर दे रहा है, you can also analyze the mistake कि उसने क्या गलती करी. So always listen to the answers. कोई भी आंसर दे रहा हो, आपको उस आंसर को सुनना चाहिए कि क्या मिस्टेक हो रही है उस दूसरे स्टूडेंट से, या फिर what he has or she has spoken जिसे हम भी अडेप्ट कर सकते हैं. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes,
as well,
Kushal.
I need one clarification on reading, ma'am. If we know the other name in reading, we directly underline the name of the other, but we don't know the other name or not available in the passage. But in questions, they are asking the writer's opinion.
Just give me 1 minute, Kushal, and then you can talk. Okay? So guys, next session और भी powerful होने वाला है. Please stay tuned and just be present in the next class. Okay? So see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.